convertible fans. Don't see these every day. 1970 Pontiac Catalina convertible. Numbers matching. So original 400 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 400 to be exact. Power steering, AC blows cold, power top. This car has been restored and does have a repaint to this burgundy metallic. Take a look at the chrome up front. Shows well, as well as the paint. Few little spots where there's touch up. You can see right there, there's just a couple there. If I notice anything else major going around it, try to point it out for you. Otherwise, take your time looking through the still pictures. Take a look at the underside of this car. Very, very nice. Interior engine bay trunk also finished off very nice. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Newer US mags, chrome wheels, radial tires. Let me hit on some of the service work that has been done to this rather recently too, real quick. Does have true dual exhaust. Recent front end thrust angle alignment was done. Previous owner says this thing will go 70 miles an hour smooth and straight down the highway. New brake shoes in the rear. Also new rear wheel bearings and seals. Coolant was recently flushed and refilled, of course. So some service work done on this too. It's one of those cars. Get in it, turn the key, go, enjoy that summer weather. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Like I said, you can see the paint shows well. Original 535 trim code, so would have came with a saddle interior. Seat belt still intact. Top matches interior. It is a power top, vinyl. I'll show you how that works here at the end of the video. But first, I want you to realize we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see how nice and straight those long panels are. Also, take a look at the chrome in the rear. When I put the top up and down, I'm going to pop that trunk open too. I want to show you how nice it is in the trunk. Like I said, finished off rather clean and tidy. This will come with a placard board or framed kind of dealer information. As you can see, license plates, some miscellaneous Pontiac items, as well as the official 75-year history of Pontiac. Also a automotive repair manual there, little folder I'm going to send the hat with. It also comes with the parade boot or the convertible top cover. I don't have it on the car. It will fit, but being inside, it was tight. If I had it out in the sun and could let it heat up and get a little pliable, it would have stretched down there very nicely. It was very tight the way it was. I'm going to leave it for the next owner to have it warmed up and put it on themselves. It'll go along with the car in the trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Try to remind you viewers out there also, if you like classic cars like this, convertibles, maybe you like late model, high horsepower cars, maybe you like trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You never know what you may see on here. There is new videos uploaded daily of vehicles that we have here and available to purchase. Taking a look up and down the driver's side, you can see this one shows well too. Again, panel's nice and straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. How about this interior from the driver's side? Free of rips, tears, holes. Door panels, also in nice shape. I left this plastic trim on. The previous owner had that on that sill plate. I'm leaving it on there. It protects it. We'll let the new owner decide what they'd like to do with it. Again, seats free of rips, tears, holes up front. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see pictures with the floor mats in and with the mounts. You can see the carpeting underneath that. All right, I want to make sure I'm not missing anything here before we start it up. And let you hear it run. Again, original numbers matching 400, true dual exhaust. Here's the fuel gauge is working. Here's AC controls. Convertible top. Wipers do work. Tech mentioned stereo, I believe, would power up, no sound, according to the tech's report. Take a look at the top of the dash. Nice shape. It's a good sounding car. A little rumble coming out of that 400, true dual exhaust. Listen to that. This one will turn some heads the way it sounds and the way it looks. Let's see, let me slip up to the front here. Let's go ahead and check out this engine bay first. We'll get to that convertible top. And remember, if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Get a look at the hood liner. Looks good. This engine bay is awesome. Once again, numbers matching. You'll be able to see the block stamp in the still pictures. It does have the rollback battery cover. Make it look like an original battery. There's also a battery disconnect here for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Power steering. AC blows cold. Looks like it's 134A also as far as coolant or refrigerant in it. Beautiful looking engine bay. Smooth runner, strong runner. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second, get the camera set up. I want to show you how the top goes up and down. Everything works. We'll take a look at the condition of it too. So here it is with the top up. Seemed the function was fine raising it. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Top was done during the restoration, so it is a newer top. Explain why it's in nice shape. Got a glass rear window, it looks like here. Needed to keep you dry or maybe out of the sun. It's gonna serve that purpose just fine. All right, so there's the condition of the top. You can see it in the still pictures also. Tell you what, I'll show you it going back down also. And that'll wrap up this video except for the drive at the very end. So like I said, stick around to the very end. You can see this car going down the road. Kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures, 507-386-1726. Number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Stick around a little bit longer. I almost forgot, real quick, I want to show you this trunk, just because it is finished off so nice. So basically we have some, like a mat or carpeting on the trunk mat on another piece of carpeting. So let me show you this. There's actually some different layers back here. But the underside, there's the carpeting, and let's get to the bottom of it. There you go. So you can see how nice. The trunk is finished. Also a full-size spare, and that is mounted properly in here too, tied down. So you'll be able to see that all in the still pictures. I just remembered I said I'd show you the trunk, and I want to show you that. There you go.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Pontiac Catalina. This would be a two-door convertible, and we do have the top up today. Factory horn is working well. Our left turn signal indicator is working. This is a very smooth running car. Very factory sounding. Automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. There is a little gap between the driver's window and the rear driver's side window where weather stripping is not currently. So you may hear a little bit of wind noise. Nice smooth ride for this Pontiac. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. Excellent power steering. Just hear that motor rumble a little bit when you get on the throttle and as you're cruising down the road. Fuel gauge is reading 3/4 of the tank. Speedometer working well. We are vintage air equipped. The blower motor is working. I don't know if you can hear that siren. It's not for me. This car corners as a 70 Pontiac should. Good condition inside and out. Very nice vinyl bench seats, stock appearing to my eye. Put the top down and have some fun on a nice warm day in this car. See all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.